Behind the mirror, there's your inner self. We invite you to see what is hidden by what you see. Do you wonder what you will find at the end of the hallway? Or do you want to go on a journey in the streets of Brussels, where they speak French or Flemish fries? Be a guest of our hospitality. Feel welcome in a surreal mix of cultures. Be down to earth, or cuddle up in the clouds. We are here to balance your body and to explore your mind. Please take a seat, have a parliamentary discussion, or make no sense at all. See yourself through the eyes of an artist. Fly into our sky pool. Surrender to the oohs and ahs. Voila, you are already here. Cardo Brussels.